Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the last video, we discussed solutions and their types. Today we will see what the components are and how you add them to a solution. Let's get started. From the Settings menu, click on Advanced Settings, then click on the Solutions. As you can see, the solution we created in our previous video is here. Just open it. As you can see, there is nothing inside our solution. So today we will add some components inside it. First, we need to know what a component is. Every element in a solution is called a solution component. It is a simple entity that has a type and a few values that help identify it. When you click on Add Existing, you will see there are lots of components, like Entity, Option Set, Sitemap, Application Ribbon, Web Resource, Process, Plugin Assembly, and many more. So, from now on, we will one by one discuss them and integrate them. The first component is Entity. As you know, in Microsoft Dynamics 365, an entity is a table that holds a certain type of data. For example, lead, opportunity, account, and a contact are all entities. The next component is the option set. An option set is a type of field that can be included in an entity. Another important entity is Web Resources. Web Resources represent files that can be used to extend the Dynamics 365 web application, such as HTML files, JavaScript, CSS, and several image formats. The other key component is the dashboard. The dashboard gives you easy-to-read charts and graphs that help you see how you and your team are doing with key metrics. Today we will start with entities. We are going to add some existing entities and we will also create a custom entity. First click on Add Existing, then select Entity. So, we are going to add just one single entity, which is Account. Now select an account and click on the OK button. Here, one important thing is that you need to uncheck Include Entity Metadata button, because it could create dependencies in the future. I just want the account main form in my account entity, so select that and click on Finish. As you can see, we have created an existing account here, so now we will create a custom entity here. To do that, click on the New button and select Entity. Now fill in all the required details, like display name and plural name. As I filled them, I want to display this entity in the Sales Hub. For that, select Sales checkbox. As you can see, we have created a custom entity, but the problem is that it will not display in the Dynamics CRM interface. For that, we need to make changes to the sitemap. So, the sitemap is also a component. The sitemap provides the structure for navigation within Dynamics 365 for customer engagement. Now add your sitemap inside of your solution. Now we will configure it for you to open it. So here I want to display my entity in a customer area. To do that, click on the Add button and select Sub Area. Now select your component type and its name. Now click on the Save button and then publish it. Now publish all customizations. It will take a few minutes. You can also see the form, view, and chart inside your custom entity. So, today we have seen the component and we practically implemented all the customization. Our next video will show how we can configure forms, views, and fields inside your entity. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please do like and share the video. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get the new update. Thanks for watching.